Hi, I'm Andrea from Jansen, and today we are going to prepare tortilla wraps, which we are going to fill with rice and ham and roasted vegetables. And we're going to cover them with some cheese which will melt in the oven. And this recipe is not only very delicious, but it's also budget friendly. And let's start. Now we're going to start with cooking the rice and slicing our veggies. Preheat the oven to 390 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Mix the onion, carrot, broccoli florets and the olive oil well in a bowl. Line a baking tray with parchment paper. Place the vegetables on the baking tray and spread them as much as possible so you get one layer. Place the baking tray into the oven and bake for 15 minutes. Stir the vegetables from time to time while baking and afterwards. We're going to warm these tortilla wraps in a frying pan. And because of that, we can roll and form them more easily. Grab a dry frying pan and heat the tortilla on both sides for a few seconds so that it gets warm. Put the vegetables in a bowl and add the rice, the ham cubes and chili powder and mix everything well. Place the wrap in front of you and scoop a few tablespoons of rice mixture in the center. Roll the wrap and place it in an oven dish. And repeat these steps for all the wraps. And when the oven dish is filled, sprinkle the grated cheese on top. And now the tortilla wraps are ready. We're going to bake them for 15 minutes in the oven until the cheese is melted. Place the baking dish in the oven and bake for 15 minutes until the cheese is melted and golden. Serve immediately. As you can see, my tortilla wraps are ready and they are filled with some cubes of carrots, some broccoli, rice and of course the ham. This recipe is enough for 4 persons, but if you're in need for more, you can go to my website. It's got a great feature which will do the calculation for you. And now I'm going to enjoy my dinner. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching this video. The full recipe can be found in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on this video. At my blog and at my channel you can find over 100 delicious recipes that are all easy to prepare. And with one thing in mind, it's a good taste. Bye!